Good morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, what's happening? Sorry, I'm a couple minutes late, and that stream had to sit there like that. But man, craziest morning. Couldn't find my sweat rag. My hands are so sweaty this morning. The craziest moves. Early bird catches the worm. Let's head over to the room and check out what we did here this morning. Absolutely phenomenal. OGEN overnight short thing, way overextended. I'll show you everything. Check it out. All right. Woo. All right, so we have the MOJO Day Trade room here. Let me show you what happened here this morning. Early bird catches the worm. This is the place to be. You know, there's a lot of other day trade rooms and things out there, that place you could spend your time, but I'm in the trenches. I don't stop at 10 o'clock after 30 minutes and shut it down. I'm trading here all day. So if your other room shuts it down and you're stuck there all day and you didn't get those 1 or 2 picks, you can definitely come here, and the picks go on all day long and all night and all morning. People are here all day and all night. You'll see the pro traders start to fill in. These are all the people that have a career here making big dollars. So OGEN right here and IGC made big drops. I was short that yesterday. I shorted it right here up at 14 and change. It dropped to 9. Made 3 points on this short right here. I shorted number 1 right there. Shorted number 2 right here, and it dropped 3 points. And I also shorted OGEN, and here it is, IGC short, up 2, complete breakdown. Here it goes, 1075, 1050, 1040, 1020, cowabunga. We're doing some beautiful things. Oh, no, even Tommy's making money. I'm making money. Even he's making money. Dude, he can make money. You guys can make money too. So we nailed some great ones right there yesterday. Catch a couple poppers. Here's TRPX making a move right here through 6. So moving into Hines right here. It's 590 by 597 with a signal at 99. So we're going to buy it to go through 6 with the big signals. As I taught Pro Trader Tom, he never would have done that ever in his life before. And then you have big old signals. And then it went 625, 631. Just keep it above 620. He's going to drive it up right there. And he did. 641, 650. Roxy swing picks moving at 112. Right here. 111, 112 on my Roxy swing pick. TRVN also did very, very well last night, up to 280 on the swing pick on Trevon. TRVN right here, 81, 88, 95 on TRVN. TRVN right here, 285, looking nice on TRVN. May head up into 3 today. And then I came in this morning short OGEN, 20,000. And long MNGA. MNGA rocked from yesterday. I knew I had to get up early. Stop feeding the mojo. Right here, MNGA, MNGA, MNGA. This was still yesterday. Here this morning, 7:33. So I come in this morning. I'm short. I covered up some from 332, and you could see the dump right here down to 257. Stock's already traded 306,000. I got 3,000 shares short left. Already realized 9,449. Already unrealized 2,320. This was the stock that I purchased at 70 cents, and it went to $3. I knew it was just way overdone. Took a chance. Risk reward was in my favor. And MNGA picked it up this morning for a move through 50, had 15,000, added another 5 for 20,000 for the move, and already had unrealized right there. had 15 from the first move up to 67 on MNGA. Here's MNGA. First move it already made this morning right up here. This is the big move I made for the 2Gs from 50 to 67 right there. Big move. And retraded it again back at 47 after making that $2,000 back in for 500. Here's the move on MNGA all the way up to 67 right here. You can see it, 1.5 million. It was a beautiful trade, done for the day at 13,590. Unrealized, got 1,000 of each left. And then I close it down for 14,223. Just amazing. And the position was 60,000 in this and $10,000 in the other, and turn that into 14,000 of profits. And then right here's a new pick, NSPR. Told you to come to the room at 28 cents. It looks like it's going to make a move up, so we're going to go play a move through 30. This one, the way it's going, could double to 50 on that. Why not, right? Hey guys, if you need, whenever I go live, you'll get notified by email, and if you click that little bell down there, you'll also get notified when I go live. Give me a thumbs up too if you wouldn't mind. Big thumbs up on my video wouldn't hurt either if you're right there. Thank yous. So we got NSPR through 30. NSPR right here under 29 looks really nice. And MNGA again at 47, which we did. And I have 1,000 left. Here's NSPR 31. I think it makes a move here today on some volume. Billy with a big V-band. Saw the Billy go before, so I got MNGA again at 47. Here's 55, up another 233. This is all, guys, at 8:27 a.m. 8:27 a.m. Let me delete some of these in the room. Let me clear 5 messages. Done. So this was the signal on that VTGN. We'll keep an eye on that. It may head back there today. And that's where we're at right now. So 26 in, moderator's not here yet. And we'll take a look at. We'll leave the room right over here, real nice. We'll head back to the DOS Trader. Ah, that's nice. So we have a couple, I have just a small position right now. I have right here. These are my closed positions and my P&L. I got 1,000 MNGA at 47. Already made 39.8844. I'm long NSPR at 0.2945, building a position. And OGEN I covered from 332. Where is it? Right around here. 275, 265. I'm not that far off. For $15,358.44 overnight into today. 12-hour move. Because the market never sleeps. People don't know this. I teach this in my class. It's important for day traders. Other people don't give a shit. So here you have a clock. And it doesn't matter where you want to start the market. Let's start it right here. It's 4 a.m. This is the first pre-market session that day traders are able to access. It opens up exactly at 4 a.m., the first tick. And this session runs until 8 a.m. That's 4 hours. That's why when you come in the morning and you see all this volume already in there, they're already have been trading it for 4 hours. You got that 4 hours right there. Market's continuous. And then at 8 a.m., E-Trade, Ameritrade, and all these other ones enable you to trade pre-market. That's the rest of the unsophisticated people who think they're traders, but they're really not. And that goes from 8 a.m. and you can trade till 9:30. So the bell opens at 9:30, and we're right here. So all this has been covered already. 9:30, the market opens up and it goes all the way to 4 p.m. So now you got most of this whole circle. You only got a little time left. It's all been covered up in trading. So the stock market's always moving. Then from 4 o'clock, it goes until 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. From 4 to 4:30, Ameritrade, E-Trade, and the other ones, you can't trade. That session opens for you at 4:30. But for me and the other traders, I could trade from 4 to 4:30. So from 4 o'clock to 8 p.m., is the extended hours trading. So the market is only really closed from 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. That's when it sleeps. And in the realm of 24 hours, 8 hours, it resets. It's on for 16 hours a day. The market really is a never-ending trend is your friend, stocks in motion, stay in motion kind of thing, because it's a never-ending session. It doesn't ever stop. Who gets left holding the bag of goodies is the thing. It's a never-ending session. It's hard for me to answer questions during the MOJO Day Trading show when guys ask me customer service in the day trade room. So if I don't answer your questions, you could understand that. There's no customer service during trading, and especially during the MOJO show. I'm not blowing you off. There's no customer service. That's one of my room rule, no customer service, guys, until after we trade and stuff, and especially during the show. So usually we don't trade pre-market, but these stocks are enabling us right now. 5.7 million traded on MNGA. Could trade that. Already in only from 47 cents. I'm up $22 on 1,000 shares. Big deal. And NSPR is the other little one. And we have a couple of other movers during the day right here that are going to be nice to trade. The market's at 26,773. It's amazing. It really is amazing. Amazon came down. You know what's funny is Twitter from 50 came down to stopping station 28. Look at that. That's what's going to happen to the market right here. All of a sudden, it's looking incredible, incredible, incredible. It's like, wow, wow. And then all of a sudden, boom. Destruction. That's what I'm talking about. GWPH moving. That thing came down with Tilray and the rest. Tilray. Market may need another Tilray. The herding mentality is in play. Everybody's herding into the same stocks. So I got my watch list on the Mojo site all up there for people that check that out. MNGA is up there at 47, NSPR at 28, PTIE at 126, NBEV's on the watch list, ELGX, VT, and EYEG on the watch list. You know what's going up is the mining profits are doing real nice. Mining some Ethereum now at 5,695 megahash right now. I'm in the nano pool. Been mining Ethereum nice and steady, Freddy, right here on the hour, 3 hours, around 12 hours. I'm on about 24 hours. I'm about 4,000 a day, 5,445 megahash, 0.9. Last reported hash rate was 5,372.9 megahash. My balance is $6.89. I'm at 15.78 of my 0.2 Ethereum payout has been reached. I will reach my next payout in approximately 9 hours. Very, very transparent. Very unbelievable how it shows you everything. Then I have my workers right here and the last share they got, the rating that they have. The longer you're on the network, the higher your rating. Like my MOJO Aris, these are my gaming computers, and my MOJO Apollo down here, which I'm on right now. My MOJO Velox is my rendering and smart node computer, and my MOJO Origin is my rendering and smart node computer. And then I have MOJO Miner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. These things have been, my uptime on the nano pool for these miners is whenever I want to shut it down to blow some air on them or clean them, that's the uptime. These things never, ever shut off. And I'm collecting shares on the hour, shows you the current amount, how every block is around 3,926 shares. My payments right here every day. Look, actually, I got paid more than 0.2. I got 0.36 yesterday. 2 payments a day. I already got paid once today. And now I'm going to get paid again in 9 hours. So that's twice a day I'm getting paid. And the mining profits, they're going higher. Making 66 cents, 6 cents a minute. It's a little off. I'm making about, it says 13.11. I'm making about 15 because I'm making 0.5, a little over 0.5 Ethereum a day times 30 days. That's the calculators are not as accurate as you'd like them to be. My phone calculator is much better than this one. So I'm at 15 Ethereum a month. Let's see what Ethereum's at right now. Here's the Ethereum. Bitcoin 6,400. Ethereum's 221 on the Ethereum network. Ethereum used to be 1,200. So 15 coins a month times 1,200 is 18,000 a month at the high side of mining right now. And now I'm making 224 times 15 is 3,360. So that's the range of mining in the last 12 months. From 3,360, it's actually been a little lower when it was lower. It went to 180. It was lower than that, but now its profitability's heading up as the price of Ethereum goes higher. And shall a la Bitcoin go make a move like Bitcoin Cash did and Electroneum did under everyone's nose? It's going to be quite the most amazingest thing. So here's Bitcoin Cash in the last 2 weeks. It made a huge move right here. It went from 440 to 540. And Electroneum did the same thing. It went from 5 cents, a 400% return. This is just now on Electronium. You could see the 1 month chart. It made an incredible, so this is Bitcoin right here. And then all of a sudden, Bitcoin made that one move. Now it's down again in the red, right where it is right here. And we're going to see it start to trek up, come down. And then this is Bitcoin's next move right here. See it? It's going to make a nice move up. It's going to come back down on hard sell. And this is up to 9,000 right here. Going to come on down, just like this made a move up to 10. This is Bitcoin 10,000 right here. So this is where we're at right now in this red. So we're going to track back up day after day, little bit of profit taking, and then boom, it's going to go over this mark right here. It's going to head into 10,000, and it's going to go to 13,000. We're going to come back down to about 9,000. Then it's going to head back through 10, come back down to 11, and then it's going to start its move. Once it gets back over 14, it's going to make a big move. And about right here, everyone's going to be like, holy crap, 20, look at it. And it's going to make this one bar, green, is equal to this whole area right here. Amazing. Equal to this whole move, that one bar. And that's the big move that's going to push Bitcoin right there to 27,000 from 8,000 points just in that one move, in that 12-hour time span from here to there, which is more than the whole price of Bitcoin right now. That happened with Electronium a couple of days ago. No one even knows about it. That's how you have, and if you want to go buy that, you got to open an account, you got to get in there, you got to do all kinds. It's going to take you, by the time you do, you're going to be buying the top like these people did. So I got this new one right here. This is Stock Stream TV I'm on right here. You guys should check out this. It's called stockstream.tv. They have some other traders in there. I'm on now, live. I do a couple postings, only 10 posts. Then you got other traders. I'm not even in the featured community, but whatever. I got the best videos. My profile. There we go. Till right compared to Bitcoin too. All right, let's check out what else we got. Anybody else live yet on YouTube? Let's see. Yep, beginner trader is live. Small account day trading plus scanning ideas. 126 watching his now. He's blowing me away. Look at him, his stream. Small account live, but it's blank. He needs donations. I don't need donations. But I'd like to have more people doing my thing. He's got way more subscribers. I can't get subscribers for some reason. I don't know why his thing ain't working. Oh, there he is. So, I mean, I don't think you have to use the demo at all. And I know I never use the demo. I always use the demo. Nah, always trade on a demo, at least for a couple of days till you get used to the platform and the system. So he's trading. Last weekend's fights on Bellator? Yeah, I watched them. Rampage knocked out He's got Trade Ideas Scanner up there. So he's a Trade Ideas guy, and he's an affiliate, and he's trying to get people to do the trade ideas because they charge out the gazoo. Oh, how do you get that Mingo just subscribe? Dude, I want that on my thing. Oh, look. He's got these guys. Bill Gudo. Dude, you're in my room. Kidding. Dude, how did you get that? I want that on my YouTube. Maybe I shouldn't because I don't get no subscribers. Dude, he got $15. What the hell is that? Oh, no, that's something else. Yeah, our channel content. Make support. Dude, this guy got 15 bucks. Good for you, dude. Dude, Trade Ideas is bad, dude. This is the hurt, you know. You're in like a chain gang. And they're dragging you along with the rest of the schlubs that are doing the same thing. Patrick Weiland, Warrior Trading. The only ones that don't use it, I think, are me and Kunai, the originals. The originals. Do anybody else live besides me? Nope. What time is it? 9 o'clock? Maybe too early. Here's another guy, Trade Ideas Scanner, right here. Patrick Weiland, see, Mr. Trade Ideas, getting compensated by them. And you know, go look at his videos. 2,800 in the trade. He used to make 280 2 months ago and was freaking stoked. How all of a sudden he's making $2,800 2 months later, like it's nothing, and he's with Trade Ideas because he's giving away the idea so people can get the scanner because he's an affiliate and they pay out big. She calls me all the time, some hot chick there, and I said, my system's better, honey. I don't need it, and I'm not going to sell it. I'm better than your bot. Your pricing. This is what they charge. $3 a day. Look at that, dude. Can you believe that? $2.90 a day. You can subscribe. That's what they get you. It's foolish. For $1,068 a year. And they can't even let me close this out. So for $1,068 a year, or $2,268 a year, you can get this scanner. $228 a month or $118 a month. So they pay out big. 30%, 40% to the affiliates. That's why all these guys are pushing this. Because if these guys are getting, and they got a room of 1,000 people, and they get half the people, then they must take this. That's what they do to you. And they get 500 people times half of that is 40 bucks. That's $20,000 a month the room moderators are making with Trade Ideas off you guys to follow the same bullshit. And they won't even let me get off of this. I'll register for the live stream. Done. All bullshit. So that's what they do. So that's the one guy right there. He's with them. And then you got Warrior. He's the biggest pusher of the Trade Ideas. All of them. They got 4 of them do it. See? Trade Ideas right there. All Trade Ideas, man. Everyone's getting compensated by Trade Ideas. But I'm not doing that. MNGA is at 57. 69! Yeah, boy. Too bad I only got 1,000 left. Jeez Louise, my voice. Look, there's the 1,000 left. I can't believe it. It's at 68. Holy shit. Sold it. God damn. Should have bought freaking more. The show just cost me a lot of money. But it's alright. I already made some. Nah, it's not alright. Shit. Son of a bitch. I should have been at $20,000 right now off that trade. You guys know it. I'm at $15,551.30. You know I should be at 20,000. I should have made freaking bunch off that shit. I'm pissed. Kind of pissed. You guys owe me on YouTube, Twitch, and all you other guys and shit. And Ross is a squiggler. I'm looking at Ross and I'm missing MNGA 70. He no way picking that shit. They're looking at OGEN, dude. Oh, get out of town, dude. I already played that crap short from 330, bro. Here goes NSPR's moving a little bit, so he's done with that. And there's everybody with the trade ideas, man. It's all bullshit. Trade ideas didn't tell you about that freaking MNGA. Now they're picking up MNGA. Damn, OGEN, I should have held short a little bit more. It's like the market's open now. Everything's trading so much, isn't it? I was short OGEN, dude, at $3. 20,000 shares. I made 11 grand. I'd be up 20 right now if I held it. I was short 20,000 at 332. It's 225. Should have freaking held it. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Got 20,000 NSPR right there. And MNGA, I'm flat, made 41.81. Should have made 7 grand, 8 grand on MNGA. I missed that second trade. My whole room didn't, though. You better not have. How'd you guys do on MNGA? 57.60. Did you make money on it, Roger? Gave it to you at 47, selling here at 55.56. Rebought it back 47. You made 180. Good job. Look at that. OGEN's going through 2. Damn, I had that shit short at 330, man. Darn. Look at this. LODE. 35-cent V-band spike on Comstock Mining. LODE. Look at that. Look at this. No trade idea scan is picking that shit up right now. I did. Look at this. LODE. Big old freaking V-band. There's another one in play for you. MNGA 73. Darn, dude. I pick them good, don't I? Better than anybody else out there. You can be watching on YouTube. I don't know why people are watching these guys on YouTube. How many did that guy have freaking watching them just now? Oh, here they all are. So you got this guy with his ads. He spends $200,000 a month on advertising. Every video you play, he spends 100 and he spends 200. So if I wanted my face to be up there, I'd have to spend $2 million a year to try to compete with these two fligs. Can't compete against them, so they own that space. He's doing right now what that guy James Altucher did with crypto when it came out. You know, the mad scientist genius just flooding the gates and getting bulk rate. Amazing. Jeez. But he don't trade live. None of these guys are live. They don't trade live. He's never even in his room. Just watch Jason.
My name is Jason Bond, and I teach people to trade stocks. This year, I'm killing it in the market. Almost up.
Oh, he's not as excited as he always is. Usually he's a little more excited than that.
200%. Last year, 330%. From home.
He probably has a little dog or a clamp on his foot, like biting his foot, saying, "Don't get too excited."
I'm not kidding you. In my pajamas. In a very short period of time, with these 3 trading strategies.
Oh, that's the calmest I've ever seen him.
A massive network.
Yeah, he's a millionaire. He is.
And I will teach you all of that in this webinar.
He's a good teacher.
So
He used to be a teacher.
These 3 techniques, these 3 strategies.
He makes $10 million a year selling his courses. Right now, 10 million. That's why he spends 2 million. He makes 10.
That is so powerful. Well, that's why you have to sit in on this.
There he is. He charges $5,000. He used to only charge very less than me, and then he started charging more. He put the package together to do that. It's all a bunch of flush. He don't really teach nothing but charts, and that's for swing traders, not for day traders. I have a day trading system. I don't teach a swing trading, how to pick and forecast a stock overnight and do all that. I don't do any of that stuff. No need to. NSPR is 30. Trying to make a new high here on NSPR. I still got the 20,000 at the 29 right here, up 114. Hasn't really made its move yet. It won't add on to the position till it gets into like the next realm of a 32, 33. So I'm always above the cost of the stock as I average higher. What else we got? Mosi, 28 cents on Mosi's looking okay. That's making a move, notorious for making big runs. Oh, and it got destroyed. Mosi got adjusted down a couple of times. Here, people own it. They're dying. Then they're dying again. Now they're really just forget about it. So this would be a terrible situation to be trading, I think. Too much overhead. Stock traded 7 million, only moved 3 cents. I'm not really interested. MNGA just moved 17 cents. Oh, this one, MNGA, this was at 18 cents. Now the stock's 65. But right here in this last, just this bar was 13 cents in that 1 5-minute bar. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. No one's live yet, man. They must be watching me. I'm waiting for some people to go live on the tube, and no one's going live. I guess they're watching the kid. MNGA is a rocket snip. Oh, I think I just heard, what's his name, come live? Is he live? Yep, live now. Trade idea scanner. He has 2,000 people in his chat room. He's got more than 1,000 people on this scanner at $40 a month he's making. Times 40. And he probably gets 50 bucks. He's making 40,000 a month. That's why he can do 100, 200,000 in advertise, but it goes in and out. He's got to support that freaking big old community, man. It's a lot. He's got 329 watching now, as much as that beginner trader kid had. And that kid spends no money. So he's got a little situation. Jason Bond put the Chang on him. So he's looking at all these ones on the trade idea scanner. And then he's done in 30 minutes. He shuts it down, which is what I did for a long time. That's why people adapted to that. But I'm way off that. I'm off the small caps, only when they're hot. And I know how to move in and off of them and stuff, so forth. And they're talking about MNGA. Let's see what he says about that. I already made big money on that. Too cheap, he said. What else we got? He's looking at MNGA. Why would he put it up there if he thinks it's too cheap? Because it's the hottest list and people are searching for it, so it comes up. I watched this one. He's not a scammer. This guy's legit. The Boiler Room. He has a $30,000 account. He made $64,000 in the month of September. He shows all his stuff. I remember all the numbers. This guy. Look, Jason Bond again. Told you. Now, guys.
My name is Jeff Bishop. I'm the co-founder of RagingBull.com and the world's number.
Why would you want to monetize your videos for day trading when these guys, you're advertising for them, guys? Wake up. If you're watching my video, stop your monetizing your ads, dude. You're advertising. They're going to click off your video, and they're going to go to this guy, not even watch your video. Is that what you want?
Huge corporations,
Another guy.
selling their cryptocurrencies, everything's going down. People are freaking out. The economy is down. Of 60. So a lot of people that have never been able.
He starts with 30 grand. He ran it to 90 grand. He took it out, takes it out every week, shows his deposits. He's real. Good job, dude. Nicely done. What time is it? 9:19. I'm on TradingView. How can I see pre-market volatility? Yeah. See, they're all on the trade ideas and shit. All right. Let's look what we got over here now. 64.65. It came down a bit on the MNGA. I sold it. I'm done with that one. DWT may make a move into $5 today. Easy Heinz trade right up here on DWT. I thought yesterday may be the reversal on it. It's so easy right up here, right up into 5. I like the DWT, guys, for a sequence 490, 495, 495, then we go 97 plus, and we got an easy Heinz $5 roll, and that's a nice one because you can get some shares going all the way up. And that's a cross market right now. This is what you're looking at in the level 2. This is what you're looking at in the level 2 is a cross market. Another one I like is JNUG right here under $8. I think we could start off on the, you got a couple of easy ones right here. I like JNUG around $8 JNUG. I like that. I'm putting that in the Mojo room right there. We got 39 people now in the Mojo room. My moderators haven't even come in yet. It's 10 minutes to the open. Lazy today. OGEN 230. Man, I was short at 330. What else? IGC down $3. Freaking crazy. I was short that yesterday at $14 and change, man. Yeah, 14.20, 14.20, right around 14.20. Amazing. See if anybody's down there. A couple of guys. So. Amazing. $10 IGC. Amazing. A couple of other ones looking okay is ears at 38 cents. Aureus Medical Holdings and EYEG, Igate Pharmaceuticals. Another one here looking good on the chart. What he's doing here right before the open. He'll shut it off now. I could stay live. He always shuts it off.
So,
oh, yours already done.
It's good enough time to.
He already shut it off.
From yesterday.
917.
But yesterday's high.
No, he's still working.
So, we're sitting right now about 7 minutes to the bell. Got 3 that I'm looking at. So, we've got my level 2 windows up for PTIE. I'll watch this one.
See what he he's
We've got
looking
my
at.
level 2 window up for BTBT.
$1.30 stock on a million.
Which, you know, is not ideal, but we'll see how it looks.
Already made a move from $1. You're out of your mind. He's setting people up. It's got a signal going lower at 125.
Three stocks I'm watching.
Watch shit. It's going lower than 125.
Overall market.
So huge 400 just came up to 31.
About the market.
Stock ain't going nowhere, but lower.
Not going to have really too much of an impact on small. These small caps are surging on their own momentum. I mean, it's just not really.
No, they're not, dude. Look, Citron's involved in shit, dude. He doesn't know what the hell he's talking about. Let me show you. You know who's involved with these stocks? It's Citron, dude. Look at OGEN. Tim Grattani. You got Citron. Marie, she's in that shit too. So you got Citron, dude. Look, he's a freaking huge shorter. See, look, IGC raised money 3 times in 3 weeks at an average price of $3.31. At least the company's on it's an absurd move. Stock should have a skull and crossbones at Fidelity, just praying for more to borrow to open up $6 fast. 21 hours ago, IGC. Tilray, Cronus, CVSI, Tilray. And I saw him on an OGEN post. Namast. I saw him on a post for OGEN, I thought. Anyway, awesome days, awesome trading. Thanks for watching the Mojo Show. It's 9:24. I'm done for the day, man. Had an incredible week. IGC, NBEV, OGEN. Just doesn't get better than that, dudes. Been an incredible 4 days, 5 days. Nanoviscera, Naviosac, 304, 305. Times 3. One looks pretty good. Naviosac. 307 too. Just keep it above 3. Shit run right into 309. Touch 11, go right to 20 on NVCN. Got some nice volume too. I like that one right there. Touches 11, we go right to 19. So do an entry here. Next entry is 77 and lower. Let's see if everyone shut it off already. Yeah, they did. Maybe I'll shut it off too. Yeah, if you want to join and come trade the stock with me, I'll should I shut it off? 9:25. Goes right to 19. Add. Yo, guys, that's nice. I put screenshots in my room telling them how to buy. See, right here, check it out. So if you're in the Mojo room, you're like, dude, look, you put it out at 305. I'm in. 311 to 19. We're adding at 311, 12. See that? Now it's 317. Now it's 319. Yep, that's what we do. You go. Now it's 320 coming right now. Look, it's 314 by 315. That's how I roll. Everyone's shutting off already. I want to stay live again, but it's too much of a tease. You guys can get the trades here without joining my room and stuff, so I don't like it. If Ross is still live, I'll stay live. He's off. No, he's still live.
So we'll start breaking down the watch list here. We've got just about this week. I put a link down there, trial, so you guys can check it out. And we're going to start trading here in about minutes.
Oh, he shut it off, so maybe I should shut it off too. All right, guys, Pro Trader Mike signing off. 9:27 a.m. and 45 seconds.
All right, so
Oh, I definitely ain't hearing you shit again. Peace. Keep it profitable. Subscribe. Like my video. Come hang out in my room. Can't stand looking at these profits in the Mojo room. Don't be mad. Just come trade with Mojo.